can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last few days has seen optimism return back to the market. All coins are bouncing. Some altcoins are giving double-digit gains over the last few days. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, got to as high as $93,000. Ethereum got to as high as $3,200. It's safe to say we're expecting a Santa rally. It's safe to say we're either in a relief rally or we're on our way back to the top. We're going to look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, how bullish our market participants. Fusaka upgrade finally goes live for Ethereum, where Ethereum season finally starts now. We look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of bears are getting liquidated. We look at the meme coin market. We talk about sentiment in the market and altcoin season. What's the update on altcoin season? Is altcoin season cancelled to 2026, or is there just enough time for us to have that end of year rally? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with news stories going on in the cryptocurrency market. Fusaka goes live. Ethereum edge closer to instant fill UX. Bitcoin Bollinger Bands repeat parabolic bull signal from late 2023. And Japan new crypto tax wake up sleeping giant of retail investors. We're seeing more bullish news coming around the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we'll start talking about Bitcoin may see a relief bounce as stabilization stance emerges. Just 3 days ago, the news stories around the cryptocurrency market was that we're in the bear market. This time is not different. We're dumping to Goblin Town. The 4-year cycle is over. But just 2 green candles, guys, have bring optimism back to the market. Just 2 green candles have made market participants start asking, is 4K Ethereum possible? Can BNB go back to $1,000? Can Bitcoin rally towards $100,000? Let's look at the charts. For Bitcoin, it's been a long journey. Bitcoin this cycle has teased the love market participants. We have pumped to the moon. We start dumping to Goblin Town. We have pumped to the moon. But one thing is sure, Bitcoin has returned 700% from the 7th of November 2022 to where the top came in, which was the 6th of October 2025. In 1,064 days, Bitcoin gave us a 700% return, which in my opinion is something to write home about. But since that dump happened on the 6th of October, there's a fundamental shift in the cryptocurrency market. From my perspective, Bitcoin just stopped. We're going to have a relief rally. All coins are going to have their own time in the sun. But market participants believe the cycle is over. I've even had talks about we are already in the bear market since January of 2025. I was wondering, then what happened towards the second half of 2025? Was that still bear market action? It can be argued that's still bear market action, but I don't believe so, guys. I believe Bitcoin is getting ready for that great relief rally. We talked about how the $100,000 and $109,000 level is going to be very, very important for Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. The bearish market participants were expecting Bitcoin to go towards $50,000. Bitcoin's 50-week moving average sits there. And historically, at some point in time, when the bull market is over, we usually return back to that Bitcoin's 200-week moving average. But I just think we're not going to return there just yet. Just like in 2022, when we saw that first dump to Goblin Town that happened, when we saw the market pull back 52%, market participants were sure we're heading back to the 200-week moving average. And then we saw a counter trend rally that lasted around 60 days. And we saw some sentiment kind of improved. We saw market participants believing that the bull market is not over. Bitcoin went from $33,000, $48,000, a 45% move in 48 days. It brought back the vibes down before we eventually dumped to Goblin Town. I'll not be shocked to see similar price action, but right now I'll be expecting a higher pump down we saw in 2022 from where we're currently trading right now for Bitcoin to pull up a 45% move just like we did in 2022. Then I'll see Bitcoin heading back to around $120,000. Maybe we don't get that high, but once in is sure, we're going to get a relief rally. That relief rally might get to as high as $109,000. The $109,000 level, I'm repeating it, is very, very important, guys. We saw Bitcoin topping there in early 2025. I will not be shocked if we get to $109,000. Sentiment would have flipped from fear We have seen greed in the cryptocurrency market. We might even be seeing some trace of extreme greed in the market. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, from this bounce, it's currently outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since April of 2025. From April of 2025, we saw Ethereum rally towards $4,955. Right now, Ethereum trading around the $3,190 level. Ethereum is still up 132% from when it was trading in April of 2025. In context, for Bitcoin, from when it was trading in April of 2025, Bitcoin is just up a measly 25%. So right now, it's Ethereum season. Right now, Ethereum is in charge. Ethereum is going to lead the altcoin market to end the cycle on a very, very big pump. That's what I believe. The end of cycle always ends with altcoins pumping, Ethereum pumping, market participants getting deceived yet again. Those call for a new bull run. But historically, anytime Ethereum start outperforming Bitcoin, anytime Ethereum start becoming in charge of the market, we are getting close to the end of the cycle. It's not healthy for Ethereum to lead the market. But if you're waiting for that exit altcoin season pump, that's what you have been waiting for. And right now, Ethereum at the $3,200 level, I will not be shocked to see Ethereum make an attempt for $3,500. The key level to watch out for Ethereum will still be the $4,000 level. We've seen Ethereum get to the $4,000 level 4 different times this cycle, and only once we're able to clear the $4,000 level, and that once we saw Ethereum get to as high as $4,900 before eventually giving back those gains. Best case scenario for Ethereum, we'll see it gets to as high as $5,000, maybe $5,300. But I don't believe we're going to be seeing Ethereum getting to 6,000, 7,000, maybe 8,000. But I know the higher we go, the more bullish market participants become. The higher we go, the more sentiment quickly shift. Just some few days ago, market participants were calling for the start of a bear market with 2 green candles, guys. Right now, we're hearing talks of, no, the bull market is no over, no, we can go to the moon, yada, yada, yada. Pay attention to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going to be the final indicator that will decide what is happening in the cryptocurrency market, because when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, head for the altcoin market. When Bitcoin dominance is increasing, stay with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market, and we've seen Bitcoin dominance increase from September of 2022. It looks like Bitcoin dominance started dumping in June of 2025. And even though market participants are still in denial, they are still in denial, thinking Bitcoin dominance will continue going up, Bitcoin will continue outperforming all coins in the cryptocurrency market. But the reality of what is happening is that Bitcoin dominance has fallen 10% since June of 2025. And if Bitcoin dominance gets to the 200-week moving average, would have been down 20%, would have seen Bitcoin dominance come back to the 52% region. That's my best case scenario. I believe Bitcoin dominance is heading straight to 52%, maybe even lower than that. We're going to see all coins pump. If you look at the total cryptocurrency market, excluding Bitcoin, that's total 3. Currently sitting at the $893 billion level. I believe we can easily set new all-time highs. Technical indicators are telling us momentum is slowing down since March of 2024, when we saw a huge rally in the altcoin market. We saw a huge rally for Bitcoin. Since then, technical indicators have been telling us that momentum is slowing down. So even though price has been going to higher highs since March of 2024, we have seen the RSI and other indicators be showing us lower highs. And that's a worrying signal. Remember, the bull run doesn't last forever. And if you're looking at the market from a cyclical perspective, from the point of cycles, in 2021, we ended the cycle. We saw a bear market. That bear market was very brutal. We saw total crypto market cap losing 75% of its value that was way back in 2021. Right now in 2025, I will not be shocked, guys, if maybe, just maybe, October 6th was the top of the cycle for Bitcoin. And this relief rally, we might see the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, all go to new all-time highs, while Bitcoin, the king of the market, fails to set new all-time highs. If we see all this happens back-to-back, guys, that will be a telltale sign to start running for the hills. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, the last 24 hours have seen a lot of bears getting liquidated. The last 24 hours have seen 100,000 traders getting liquidated. Total liquidation coming in around $314 million. With the single largest liquidation order happening on Hyperliquid, one trader lost $9.14 million. Be careful out there, guys. You want to avoid leverage. That's one of the ways smart people can get wrecked. Leverage, liquor, and ladies. According to famous investor Charlie Munger, these are the 3 things to avoid if you want to make money long term in this business. In Q4, Bitcoin is now down 18%. Ethereum is now down 23% on a monthly time frame. Bitcoin has gone positive for the month of December. Bitcoin was previously down 4% in the month of December. Right now, Bitcoin is up 3%. Ethereum is up 6% in the month of December. You can clearly see Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, I will expect to see more altcoins doing better. I've been paying attention to the altcoin market. Historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where we see altcoins pumping front, left, and center. I don't think this time will be different. Right now, the total altcoin market cap, the total meme coin market cap is around $44 billion, with 24-hour trading volume seeing around $5.17 billion. In the coming weeks, I'll be paying attention to the total meme coin market cap. I expect it to rally past $100 billion. Earlier in 2024, we saw the total meme coin market cap get to as high as around $134 billion. We could easily get to that $150 billion level. And for what we're currently trading right now, that will see the meme coin market increasing by threefold. Altcoin season this, altcoin season that. We're not yet in an altcoin season. For us to see an altcoin season, guys, we need to see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. On a monthly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still down 9.4% over the last 1 month. Don't be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks, you still love these altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, and we officially enter an altcoin month, and then we officially enter an altcoin season. I strongly believe there's one more altcoin season in 2025. I strongly believe we're going to see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market before the end of 2025. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, there was fear, but last week, there was extreme fear, and last month, there was extreme fear. So that means there's improvement in sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, as prices increase, expect to see greed return, expect to see extreme greed return, expect to see the news stories getting more positive as we go higher. That's what happens. You're supposed to buy low, you're supposed to sell high, but that's not the way market participants work. They work on good news and they are scared on bad news. Over the next few days, I expect to see price increasing. I expect to see news getting more positive. So guys, report us in the comment section. Are you expecting that altcoin relief rally? Are you expecting the blow off top to happen? Are you in the camp that the bull market is over? We're dumping to Goblin Town. This is just a dead cat bounce. This is just to get us back into the market before we continue our dump to Goblin Town. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.